So hello everyone, and this is a video in which I am trying to tell you why you should boil your wheat straw for mushroom farming. So this is the spawns that I had actually gotten from Bagwani Bhavan, which is in West Delhi, Janakpuri, in Delhi of course. So you can actually get yours as well. So I've used almost, you can say, about 50 to 60% of the quantity and filled one bag with it. You could actually so this was 1 kg quantity, so probably I have half a kg in my hand, so I used a lot of spawns for one bag. I should have probably used 200 to 250 grams, but I don't know why I just got over enthusiastic. But let's see how it goes. And the reason I got over enthusiastic was because it was my first time creating a mushroom bag, oyster mushroom bag for myself. I already have made several videos on the kits that I had purchased from the Bagwani Bhavan. The kits that I'm talking about are the pre-prepared kits of button mushroom. So you can straight away buy them. They're just for 150 rupees and they can yield about 2 to 3 kgs of button mushroom for you, which basically means even if you get 2 kgs of button mushroom for 150 rupees, that's 75 rupees per kg. And if you go and buy it in the market in Delhi NCR, so you get for 40 to 50 rupees for 200 grams. So that's around 250 to 200 to between 300 rupees for button mushroom, which is like so readily available, yet it is so expensive out here. And I think it is, I not think, but I travel to other parts of the country, to other tier 1 cities, of course, Bengaluru, Kolkata, Mumbai, Hyderabad, etc., and I observed that the pricing is more or less the same. So you're paying a lot of money for button mushroom, which is actually very old school now. So there are all sorts of mushrooms that you actually come across now: shiitake, regular oyster, grey oyster, blue oyster. So they have excellent health benefits. So if you want to know about the health benefits of mushrooms, please go into the list of videos that I have. Very easy to search, very easy to find. You'll be able to find the video in which I have elaborated on how mushrooms are beneficial for one's health. So this is the bag. This is the second bag that I created, and in this video I actually wanted to tell you, like, I steam up the wheat straw that I actually got from the Bagwani Bhavan. So I didn't buy it, I just got it for no money whatsoever. So the fact here is very simple, that you boil this up for about 20 to 30 minutes, and after boiling you actually grab hold of whatever you can in both of your hands together. I mean, joining your hands, grab hold of the content you can, and then put it in a tray under let's say a fan which is blaring at the highest speed, fan at, of course, at your home, at your office. So what this does is, if you keep it there for 2 to 4 hours, that's it. You don't need to wait for 24 hours to 48 hours for this to get dried up to an extent wherein there is only 50 to 60%, 60 to 70% water content in it, whereas the 30% has drained away. So that what that fan will do is it dry up about 30% of the water in about 2 to 4 hours, depending on the speed of your fan. So that is what I did in this case. I did it just took me about 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours last night. I had a lot of time. So what I did was 2 to 3 hours to boil this up, and then I kept it under really high speed fan. So what happened is, okay, sorry, I'll tell you right from the beginning very quickly in a few seconds without wasting your time. So I boiled this for 20 to 30 minutes. So I'll be honest, today I boiled it for 30 minutes. Yesterday I had boiled this much quantity for 20 minutes. So this should be around 2 kgs of wheat straw. Probably, no, I'm sorry, should be around 3 to 4 kgs, depend the kind of size this container has. So after boiling, I kept it as it is for 20 more minutes. Why? Because the steam shows up. So when the steam pops out of this, it tries to sneak out of this. What it does is it also sterilizes the upper layer of the wheat straw. So keep it like that for 20 minutes. So this is my own experiment. I have not watched it anywhere. I have not taken any training. So I am experimenting on my own. So I am sharing all these things. So after that, 20 minutes for boiling, 20 minutes for keeping it as it is. Keep it under the fan for 20 minutes, so 1 hour, right? And then take out the straw. What those 20 minutes under the fan does as it is will ensure that your hand doesn't burn while you take this out. because in our city right now, Delhi, the temperatures are between 12 to 22 degrees. At the moment, we are in the middle of, we are in the third to fourth week of November in 2020. So I put it out on a tray and let it be there under the fan for another 13 minutes to an hour, and it dried up to a good extent. About 20-30% of the water was gone. I actually got hold of it and pressed it, and there were only a drop or two that came out of it. And then eventually I bagged it up, and there's another bag. This one is half filled. I'm going to fill this one with this, and I'm going to make another one. So this is what I wanted to share with you, how you can sterilize your wheat straw in the quickest manner possible without wasting 24 to 48 hours. You can do it within 2 to 4 hours, so you don't really need to wait and do the regular old school way. You can do some things in a newer, more innovative manner. That's what I wanted to tell you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned. God bless you. Keep smiling, and I'll see you very soon.